In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Google Analytics property. First, log into your Google Analytics account. Then, from the home page of the Google Analytics, go to the left sidebar and look for Admin or Administration, depending on what you see on your screen. Click on it. That'll bring all settings. Go to the Property settings and look for Property Details option, and click on it. You'll see all the details in there. Now, if you want to delete it, you can go to the top right corner of the screen and click Move to Trash. Then, Google Trends will ask you to confirm your action. If you want to proceed, just click Move to Trash, and the property will be moved to the trash. Google Analytics keeps deleted properties in the trash for a limited time before they're permanently removed. If you want to recover it, just go to the basket and click on it, and you'll find your deleted property in there. To restore it, check the box and click Restore, and your property will be restored. And that's it. That's how you delete a Google Analytics property. Thanks for watching.